Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will guide you through how to change Facebook page name. Before you can get a Facebook page, you need to create a Facebook account, and also you need to create a Facebook account before you can get a Facebook page. So in this video, I'll help you to change your Facebook name. Watch the video to end so that you not mix any steps. Now you open your Facebook app like this. As I said earlier, before you can get a Facebook page, you need to get Facebook account and you create a page. So when you open your Facebook like this, first you switch to a page. So under the page, you see there's a 3 lines dot top. You click there. When you click there, you then scroll down to settings and privacy. So you click settings and privacy. So under the settings and privacy, you click on settings. So you click on settings. You click settings. So on settings here, you scroll down and search for. Page setup. So here you search for. So this is the page setup. So I'll click on the page setup here. Remember, our motive is to change a Facebook name. To change a Facebook page name. If you have a page already, you have a name, but you want to change the name to different names. So this video helps you to change. So when you get page setup, you see the name. The name there is the page name. So you click on the page name. So you see. So you then edit the name. You see. So here I have cleared the name. So you type the name that you want to use for it. You type the name. So I'll send Vincent or Victoria Hammer. I'll use Victoria Hammer as the Facebook page name. Good. So after you finish, you type change or review change. Good. You see your name has been updated automatically if approved. So you click you click submit for approve. You click submit for approve. Your Facebook name will change. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.